Hello, welcome back for another video of Just Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you where the fuse boxes are located of a BMW F10, and the cigar lighter fuse is located on this car. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Just Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset the animal cars, some tips and tricks. Use the commentary if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, the first box is located in the glove compartment. We'll have a look at it. And that's also where the fuse for the cigar lighter is located, and that's this one. And you have a relay over here. The last fuse is a 20 ampere fuse, and the fuse above that one, the second from the bottom, is the fuse for the cigar lighter. So the first location is in the glove compartment. Open the glove compartment, you'll have a cap over here. Open this cap, and these are the fuses, and that's where the cigar lighter fuse is also located. The second one is in the trunk. That's on the right side of the vehicle over here. Open this door over here. Also the list of the fuse boxes, so you can take this out and you'll see which fuse is located where. That was it for this video. These are the two locations for the fuse boxes, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.